When installing a secure line, the contract specifies requirements for the data cable carrier. The carrier must be constructed of electrical metallic tubing, ferrous conduit or pipe, or rigid sheet steel ducting. You asked if polyvinyl chloride or PVC is considered ferrous conduit. The answer is no, PVC is not ferrous conduit. Ferrous materials contain iron. Conduit made from ferrous materials provides electromagnetic shielding. Ferrous conduit includes electrical metallic tubing or EMT, rigid metal conduit or RMC, and intermediate metal conduit or IMC. These types of conduit are typically made of steel, which is a ferrous metal. PVC conduit is a plastic material. It does not offer the same level of shielding against electromagnetic interference as ferrous conduit. The contract mandates ferrous conduit. You must use a conduit made of iron or steel. This ensures the secure line is properly protected from electromagnetic interference and potential eavesdropping. Using PVC conduit would violate the contract specifications. The materials listed in the contract are electrical metallic tubing, ferrous conduit or pipe, or rigid sheet steel ducting. These materials all have a common property. The elbows, couplings, nipples, and connectors must be of the same material as the conduit. This ensures electrical continuity. A mixed system could compromise the shielding effectiveness. The purpose of using metallic conduit is to create a Faraday cage. The Faraday cage prevents electromagnetic radiation from entering or exiting the secured lines. PVC does not have conductive properties to do so. Consider the installation environment when selecting the appropriate type of ferrous conduit. Electrical metallic tubing or EMT is suitable for dry locations. Rigid metal conduit or RMC is necessary for wet locations or where physical protection is required. Intermediate metal conduit or IMC offers a balance between weight and protection. Selecting the correct conduit type depends on the specific needs of the installation. Always consult local electrical codes and regulations to ensure compliance. These regulations dictate the types of conduit approved for specific applications.